Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, that's just shenanigans. I like to goof off, but if you're not new, welcome back. So on this channel, that's just some of my shenanigans. You know. If you've been here for a while, you know. If you don't know, you should know. If you're new, I would love it if you would comment down below and say hi, subscribe, like, share, the whole thing. I love it when you guys say hi to me. It totally makes my day. I love interacting with you guys, and I just have fun making these videos. So today we're going to be reviewing the BoxyCharm Luxe. If you are new to BoxyCharm, this is a quarterly subscription. Now this is a Luxe box. So BoxyCharm has a base box for $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items. Every quarter they upgrade you, and well, you can choose to be upgraded to the Luxe box, which is an additional $24.99, which I think turns out to be $49.99, and you get, I believe, 7 to 8 full-size items, and you do get to customize or choose 2 of your items in the box. So this box smells really heavy, like whew. It smells like essential oils, but it's giving me a headache, which is no bueno, because you know I suffer from migraines. So if the box smells this strong and I haven't even opened it, I can only imagine what the heck is in here. I have seen some sneak peeks, because let's just be honest, it's already like the last week of June. So yeah, of course I've seen spoilers and stuff, and I think that what I'm smelling is the hand lotion everyone's been getting, because this is a heavy box. Anyway, for real, let's get started. Woohoo! You do get a little card. Whew, whatever that is strong. Okay, anyway, you get a card, and the back of the card always gives you the description and the pricing information, and you do have a variation code here at the bottom. I know people like to know that, but I don't know. Anyway. All right. Oh, blush. Okay, so the first product I'm pulling out is a NARS blush, which I'm a little confused because I chose that this was a choice item for May, and that's what I chose, so I was kind of surprised to get this. However, this looks like it is in the color Orgasm, and I've heard that this is a like cult favorite, if that's a word, and it is again full size. Here is that pretty color. Now you guys, my nails are all jacked up because I used shellac this time instead of the dip, and I'm sorry, I'm not gonna lie, shellac sucks, man. My nails, it's been like 4 days, maybe 6 days, and it's a mess. It's a hot mess, so I apologize. Anyway, here is the color Orgasm. Let's go ahead and, oh, that's pretty. And we'll put that on the skin. Let's see if you can see that. It has a nice gold shimmer in there. Let's see how much this is, because I don't remember. NARS. This is $30, so we already are off to a good start, and NARS is a great name brand product that you know and love and trust. Okay, the next item I found in here are let's see, Starry Collagen Eye Pads, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, reduces dark circles, and it says that it is a 5-pair box. So that's kind of nice. You get like full size for $5. I never heard of this brand. AMNH Skincare. This is $32. So it says it's a collagen gel eye pad to reduce wrinkles and dark circles, which is pretty much what I read on the box. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna open these because I don't care for stuff like this. I don't do face masks or eye patches. It's not my thing. They feel really gimmicky to me. I've never had one, no matter how expensive they were, in our subscription boxes, on the street, in Sephora or Ulta. I just don't see the results. I don't see the big excitement about it. Like, it's just, maybe I'm just blessed with great skin. No, I'm joking, but for real, like, to me they're gimmicky, so I'm not gonna use this. Okay, this must be what I'm smelling. Aromatherapy Associates London Revive Body Gel. Energize and Awaken is the, yeah, this stuff. So normally I don't mind essential oils, but like, I literally, before I started recording, I was sneezing because this was like really got in there, and yeah, this is the thing. This is it. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not gonna use it because it already jacked me up. Like I'm gonna get a migraine from it. I could feel it. So I really do apologize, you guys. I'm not gonna open it up and share the consistency. But the price for this one is, let's see, $46. So almost this item alone pays for the entire box. So, I mean, I'm sure it is some nice lotion, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to get a little bummed with this subscription box this month. But that's why we do it, right? We review it, we try it, we see if we like it. This is an Avant Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. So, I sort of feel the same with lip serums. I feel like they're a little bit gimmicky as well. I've never had one that has worked extremely well. Like, if my lips are that bad, I will use Vaseline, and I don't think anything can compare to that when it comes to it. I know, it's crazy, I know. Maybe I'm just having an off day or an off box, I don't know. But this one, I'll actually try this one though. So we can go ahead and open it up. Let's see what it does. So it looks like it has a doe foot applicator, and let's see. Like, this I don't mind because I can just put this on top of my lips like a lip gloss, so I'm cool with that. And let's see how much this Avant, I know Avant is pretty expensive. Holy crap, $122. Oh, Nelly, $122 for this. All right, let's put it on the lips, because yeah, better do something for $122. I really don't know. I can't tell just off of that. Like, it already like dried down as part of my lipstick. So I'm not sure. But wow. Let's go ahead and read a little. A lip serum diagnosed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Okay, next box. Oh, all right. Tula Skincare Country Shields Hour Glow Brightening and Neutralizing Eye Serum. Okay, I like eye serums because I usually get eczema around my eyes, like usually underneath here and right in here. So, oh yes, okay, I'm excited to try this. Yeah, all right. So this is actually, you know what's funny? The lip serum, I could feel it plumping here, but not here. Like, I could feel a little tingle on my hand, but I don't feel it on my lips. Okay, anyway, look at how cute that is. What? How do you take it off? What do we do? Oh. Ooh, oh, that's pretty. So it's like all fancy, has this little fancy lid. Like, what is that? Is that the, like, that looks like a lid to me still. But I think that's the actual, like, cream. Yeah, okay. Ooh, this is pretty. I don't know if you could see, like, this orangey tint. Ooh. Apply to under eyes area for instant cooling and a golden glow to neutralize the look of dark circles. Use under and over makeup. All right. I'm about this one. Tula. Okay, $32. Sorry guys, took me like forever to see that. All right. The next thing in here is the Alamus Superfood. The last Alamus product I got was really nice. It was the pillow serum, or no, not pillow. It wasn't a serum because it was a cream. Oh, it like made a mess. Look, it's like all over the place. Probably because it took like freaking 4 weeks to get here. That's a bummer. It kinda... Anyway, it's a AAH Glow Cleansing Butter. It's a cleansing butter, so let's see what the cleansing butter actually does. Okay, so first of all, this is $38. Oh, cool. Melt away makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh, and glowing with this buttery, brightening cleanser. I'm kind of afraid, like, is this one of those things like, don't buy it if it's already opened, or like, ooh, look at that. Ooh, very thick cream. Does not have a scent, which I am happy with because it's on my face. And let's see. Oh yeah. Oh. So it does have a little bit of a smell, but it definitely, I can't quite pinpoint it, but it's not bad or anything. It's like Humpty Dumpty, because look, it made a mess and I can't put it back together. Oh, you guys, please hold. I can definitely feel the lip plumper working now. It's just a little, like, a little warmth on thy lips, nothing crazy. Okay, now, these are my 2 choice items. First, we're gonna go with the Smashbox. Pretty. Now, I don't have any Smashbox products. I've never tried them, I know. And this is why I like subscription boxes, because when I go to Sephora or Ulta, I'm gonna buy something that, like, if I'm gonna spend this much money on something, I'm gonna go towards like Urban Decay or Too Faced, because that's my thing. So let's go ahead and see. What I really love about this is you have the 2 like under the eyebrow colors. I love that because I personally always use more of that than anything colors, so these are always the first to go. So I like when they make those pans a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and we'll take this like purpley color, and we'll take this I don't know, we'll do like this burgundy brown. I guess we'll say it's more of a brown and purple color. So these 2 colors here, and we'll put that on the skin. Oh, very nice swatches. Swatched very nice. So I can't wait to play with this. You'll see this on Instagram. I'll do a little cool thing that, you know, everyone else is already doing. But if you would like to see that, you can find me there. How much is this? Smashbox, $29 for that guy. And then the other thing I picked was the these are NYS. They are sunglasses. This is the first time they've ever offered sunglasses, and to be honest, I kind of didn't care for the other items, but the sunglasses I did actually think were kind of cool. So it looks like it comes in its own little bag, which is nice. Ooh, yes. And these were definitely my style of sunglasses, and they have this little faux fancy, what do you want to say, designer bag, faux designer bag look. These look long though. I don't think I have that long of a head. Is a long neck. He's a long neck. Remember that, guys, from The Land Before Time? I don't know what my mind thinks. It's movie quotes all the time. These were $40. So let's see. What do you think? What do you think about this? Oh, guys, if you watch my, if you guys watch any of my clothing hauls, you know I like to be in Home Depot going, what do we think about this plant here? Ooh, she's pretty. Yes, nice plant. Anyway, I think they're super awesome. Look, I love them. I like them. I'm happy with the glasses. I do. I really like them. Let's just finish out the video because I think I'm cool. I'm too legit to quit. Okay, anyway, let's just quit. Alright, so I will have a total over here for you of all of the products. Let me know if you guys finally got your Luxe box, if you enjoyed it, what you thought about it. And I forgot to do the whole recap. So we got the glasses, we got the Smashbox, we got the NARS, we got the Tula. Wait, that's not it. Yeah, we got the Tula. We got the lip plumper, the lotion. I like to try and hold it up for you guys so you could see like how much stuff it comes with. The eye patches and the superfood. So we got all of these items for $49.99. Now, do you think that this subscription box is worth it? I do, only because it is quarterly and it is only an upgrade. So for me, it's actually, I was already going to pay $25 for the base box. And since this month is the upgrade, it really wasn't like a huge, finance for me, or like a huge chunk of change that I had to account for. But anyway, I like this box. I think it was pretty good. I was at first a little iffy because of all the skin products. Like, you guys know I love makeup heavy boxes, and then the scent of this thing was just really throwing it off because that's all I smell, like even when I just brought this in from my doorstep. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, comment down below if you're new. It totally makes my day. I love when you guys say hi, and we will see you on Instagram or TikTok and our next video. Bye!